once we create data streams, data lake objects in data clouds are also created. What is data lake object? Data lake object is a metadata of the data which you are going to bring from data source objects using data stream. Data stream would help you establish connections, like we established connection with starter bundles of Salesforce, Sales Cloud. We established that connection. It will automatically create a data lake object as well. Data lake object is the container of data brought into data cloud. A data lake object is automatically created from data brought into data cloud, but it can also be created manually. But whenever you establish a data stream, two things happens. One is the connection is established, the other thing is data lake objects are also created. So data lake objects in Salesforce Data Cloud are strong entities designed to manage large volume of structured, unstructured data. It is a container of data. So if you want to verify it, we have created a data stream. We have created a data stream with account, lead, contact. It has also created a data lake object. Go to data lake objects and you see that these data lake objects are also available. These data lake objects are created by default whenever you have established a data stream. So what is the difference between a data stream and a data lake object? Data stream is a connection to a source system. Data lake object is the container of data from the data source object. Now, data lake object, if you go and open, it will also not contain any data for now. Suppose you open contact data, it will also not have any records. Data lake object, you have to map it with in-house customer 360 data model. Data lake object, you have to map in-house with your customer 360 data model, which is known as data model object. So suppose you are bringing a lead from a source system. The first step is to establish a DSO connection using data stream. Then it will create a data lake object. That data lake object we have to map with data model object. Data models are the objects available to create a customer 360 data model in data cloud. There are standard and custom objects. So if you are bringing a leads object as a data source object from the sales cloud, then you have to map that data stream, okay, with a default standard object of Salesforce customer 360 data model in data cloud. So once you open the data stream, you have this mapping available. There are 36 fields which are brought in Salesforce Data Cloud. Once you click on mapping, left hand side data lake object is available and right hand side data model objects are available. Now as this is a standard bundle object, Salesforce has performed mapping to all the required customer 360 data model objects. You see that this mapping is already done. We have mapped lead with contact point address. We have mapped lead with contact point email. We have mapped lead with contact point phone. We have mapped lead with individual object. We have mapped lead with lead object. As this is a part of Data Cloud Starter Bundle, all these objects are already mapped with data model objects present in Salesforce Data Cloud.